A very good morning to my dear children. Welcome back to 4th class maths online class. Dear children, before going to the class, we will start with a small prayer. So everyone, join your hands, close your eyes, bow your head. Dear God, I am thankful for all you give, for food, for love, a place to live. I thank you for my family too, and I want you to know that I love you. Amen. Page number 94. Solve the given problems. Solve the given problems. First one, a school purchased a computer for 35,429 rupees, a color TV for 12,645 rupees, and a CD player for 8,500 rupees. How much did the school spend in all? A school purchased a computer. Computer cost is 35,429. Next, color TV cost 12,645 and cost of CD player 8,500. How much did they spend in all? How much did the school spend in all? Here, when we add the cost of computer, the cost of color TV, the cost of CD player, we have to get the total. Okay? We have to get answer. First, solution. Write in steps. Cost of computer. What is the cost of computer? Computer cost is 35,429, right? 35,429. Cost of color TV. Cost of color TV. What is the cost of color TV? 12,645 rupees. 12,645. Next, cost of CD player. Cost of CD player. What is the cost of CD player? 8,500 ru 8,500. Okay, now find out how much did the school spend in all. So write in first steps. After that we have to add 35,429, 12,645, 8,500. When you arrange numbers in order, you have to start ones place number onwards. Okay, write in order only. Then you have to add 9 plus 5, 14, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 1, 7, 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 5, 15, 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 5, 15, 15 plus 1, 16, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 1, 5. Total cost of all things. Total cost is total cost. Total cost of all things. What is that? Computer, color TV, CD player cost of total things. So 56,574. 56,574. Next, second one. A two-wheeler factory produced 12,345 vehicles in 1 month. Two-wheeler factory produced 12,345 vehicles in 1 month, 15,300 vehicles in the next month, and 16,645 vehicles in third month. Find the total number of vehicles manufactured during 3 months. We have to find out total manufacture of given 3 months. First month, how many vehicles produced? How many two-wheelers produced? 12,345. Second month, 15,300. Third month, 16,645. Right? Now, write in steps. Solution. Number of vehicles produced in first month. Produced or manufactured in first month. $12,345. In first month, 12,345. Next, number of vehicles. Number of vehicles produced in second month. Okay, in second month, 15,300. Next, number of vehicles produced in third month. Number of vehicles produced in third month. 16,645. 16,645. The total number of vehicles manufactured during 3 months. First month, second month, third month. Now we have to find out total 3 months how many vehicles find out. So here we have to choose addition. 12,345. Each number having 5 places, no? So 15,300. 16,645, right? Now add these all. 5 plus 5, 10. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 6 plus 6, 12. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 5, 12. 12 plus 2, 14. 4. So, 44,290 vehicles. Number of vehicles. Number of vehicles manufactured or produced in 3 months. 44,290. 44,290, right? First you have to write steps, Nana. After that arrange all these number in order. Then you have to do addition. So total. What total you have to get, that is answer only. First read carefully with the given question. Okay. Next, third one. Third one homework. This third one write in your homework. Next, identifying patterns. Observe the pattern, then complete. First you have to observe this pattern, then complete it. Look here children. Here 1, 2, 3 up to 9, 10 numbers is there. Here we have to get total 55. Next 10 after 11 to 20 numbers here there. We have to get here total to 155. Next 21 to 30. Here 255. Think mentally what will come next sequence. 31 to 40 is there. Here we have to get 355. Okay. Next 455. When we are doing addition also we have to get same number only. Right. 555. 655. 755. 855. 955. Okay. If you want to if you have any doubt, you have to check it. Okay. Next, the pattern observed in the sums 55, 155, 255. Next, what we get? 355, 455, that like no? 355, 455, 555, 655. Okay, numbers in each column is increased by. Numbers in each column. Next, number in each column is increased by. Column means in each, this is the column. Okay, this is the column. Number in each column is increased by 1, 11, 21, 31, 41, 51. What is the difference between 11 minus 1? 10 only, no? So each column increased by 10, right? Next, number in each row is increased. Row, number in each row. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4, no? Number in each row is increased by 1, okay? Each sum is increased by. Here what we get, the total is called sum. 55, 155, 255, 355. 155 minus 55, we have to get 100, no? Each number difference is 100, okay? The sum is increased by 100. You also fill up your textbook this like Nana. Next, move to next page, page number 95. Okay, page number 95. Subtraction, rapid recall. Subtraction, rapid recall. Subtraction, rapid recall. Solve the following sums. Here, these are subtractions. Look here, children. First two I will explain. Third one, fourth one, write in your homework book, dears. Okay. Subtraction. What is the symbol of subtraction? Minus. The symbol of subtraction is minus. So, ones place onwards we have to subtract. 8 minus 7, 1. 9 minus 5, 4. 6 minus 3, 3. Here, difference we have to get 341. Okay, second one. 6 minus 3, 3. 8 minus 9, is it possible? No, 8 is smaller one, no? So, we have to take bar auto before number. 8 become 18. 7 becomes 6, right? 18 minus 9 equal to 9. 6 minus 3, 3. The difference is 393. Okay? Third one, fourth one, write in your textbook. Okay? This is homework, third, fourth bits. Next, subtract mentally. Subtract mentally. Given that 9 minus 3 equal to 6, find 90 minus 30. Here, do you observe anything from here? Here 9, 2-digit number here, 90, 3, 30. So, difference, here we have to get the difference is 6. So, here also we have to get difference 60, right? Because 9 minus 3 equal to 6, 90 minus 30 equal to 60. Okay? Subtract mentally. This like we have to subtract easily. That is mentally subtraction. Mental subtraction. Okay? Without subtracting, we have to find out answer. Right? 40 minus 10 equal to 30. One more 0 is there. One more digit is there in that 0. Okay? Excess is there in this number. 40, 400. 10, 100. 40 minus 30 equal to, 40 minus 10 equal to 30. 400 minus 100 equal to 300. Right? 40 minus 10 equal to 30. 400 minus 100 equal to 300. 950 minus 850 equal to 100. So, this is 4-digit number, but one more digit only excess is there in this number. Here we have to get 100. So what we get here? Here we have to get one more 0 excess in the difference also, right? This like we have to find out mentally in addition or subtraction, right? Next, every addition fact has two subtraction facts. Okay, every addition fact has two subtraction facts. Here 90 plus 70 equal to 160. This is addition fact. Here in between these two numbers plus is there, no? So this is the addition fact. This addition fact has two subtraction fact. Not only for this, every addition fact has two subtraction facts. First, here total 160, no? When we move this side 70, we have to get 90. Okay? Here 160, no? When we move 90 this side, we have to get 70. That two are subtraction facts, right? 160, in the total here we have to get 160. This 90 moves this side. Okay, transfer this size. 160 minus 90 equal to 70, right? 160. Now we have to move 70. 160 minus 70 equal to 90. These two are subtraction facts, right? Every addition fact has two subtraction facts. Subtraction facts for each addition fact. Here addition fact given, no? So what total we have to get here? 160. Okay, 160 minus, when we transfer 75, remaining number what is there here? 85 now? Yes. This is one subtraction fact. Next, 160 answer. Here we have to move 75. Now we have to move here 85. Minus 85 equal to 75. Right? 160 minus 75 equal to 85. 160 minus 85 equal to 75. These are two subtraction facts. Okay. Next, 330 plus 570 equal to 900. 900 is there. First we have to move this side 570. Here plus positive quantity, no? When we move this side, this one become minus. Okay. 900 minus 570 transfer this side. 570. Remaining number what is there here? 330. So 330. Next, this time we have to move 330. Right? 900 minus 330. Remaining number what is there? We have to move here 330. Remaining number what is there? 570. These are subtraction facts of given addition facts. Right? Understood? Hope you understood everyone. Okay. Now let us discuss check subtraction by addition. Check subtraction by addition. Subtraction by addition. Here, first here what symbol is there? Minus. So we have to subtract here. 6 minus 4, 2. 3 minus 2. 4 minus 2, 2. Okay. Now, when we add these two, we have to get, this. Okay. 222. 240. Now add this difference to get this number. Now check it. 4 plus 2, 6. 2 plus 1, 3. 2 plus 2, 4. Right? We have to get this number only, no? 222 plus 200. 436. Everyone do your homeworks. Thank you. Do your homeworks regularly. Stay home, stay safe.